OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make microwave okaki rice crackers. The recipe is super easy. You can make it in 3 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
I'm going to use round mochi, but you can use square one, of course. If you remember, the mochi is from my daughter's first birthday. Dice mochi into small pieces. Place them on the microwavable dish lined with parchment paper. Microwave at 600 watts for 3 minutes. If you can, stop after 2 minutes or so to check if they are not burning. I didn't check, so mine is partially burned. Unfortunately, those two are black inside and not edible. Mix soy sauce and sugar to make the sauce. And coat with the sauce while they are hot. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
So れではいただきたいと思います。美味しいです。そしてね、ちょっと気をつけてレンジを使って、もしね手間じゃなければ置く場所を変えたりして火の通りをね調節して火の通りをねよく見て作ってみてください。ちょっとねそこが手間かなって感じですね。放置してできないからね。おいしい。ほんと早速。うそ、わあ、また挟んじゃった。好きだね。痛いよ。これね。はい、おしまい。熱いよ。そう、熱いってよくわかってます。熱いよ、熱い。そう、あっちあっち。ね、気をつけようね。